This is my first voiceover video, so bear with me. But that's crazy, right? Them dudes on top of the loader, man.
We back in the streets, where they still making moonshine. Welcome to the country. Welcome to the country. Where them country boys know the ride. Where them country boys know the ride. Welcome to the city. Ooh, we're dipping that shit in mud ain't a crime. It sure ain't a crime. Welcome to the country. Welcome to the country. Where them country boys love to ride. Where them country boys love to ride. Welcome to the city.
Yo, this is Amazon new warehouse that they building in Fishersville, Virginia, yo. That's crazy how big that joint is, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We gotta go to straps where they gonna help us. Corners.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
I like them joints right there.
Yeah.
The arm on it.
Yeah,
Yeah. Working on the track.
yeah. So this our first load. It was nothing but installation, man. So that joint wasn't really heavy. As you can see, it was just kind of big. That's all. So walking around the truck right now, just checking the load. We getting ready to pull off, man. This is the first load. So this is Amazon worksite. As you can see, they got loaders and dozers and bozers, dump trucks, all kinds of things, man. All kinds. Look at that thing right there, boy. He grading that thing right now. Got the loaders on over there. Yeah, man. This is up close and personal, in your face, man. Ain't no other type of trucking like this. He backblading that joint right in front of me, bruh. And you see, like, it's muddy out there right now, man. Like, all that we on, like, we riding on it. Like, you had to bring the truck in behind that dozer, go around that little hill back there and come through. It's nothing but mud out there, yo.
Hey, that's called backblade.
Smoothing it out.
Backblade is great.
So yeah, like you see them like the big dump trucks. Then they got the small dump trucks coming in. I mean, they had every type of construction piece of equipment that I done seen, man. So we securing the load right now. So I was helping. I threw the straps on this one, and he ratcheted it down. So that's all the straps right there, and they all gotta be tight, man. Not too tight, cause this was just insulation, but yeah, man. Look at that thing, bro. Look at that thing, man. So this is the location where we was dropping off the insulation. We did about 4 of these loads, man. I did get a chance to drive on 2 of the loads and on the way back. So this is my first time pulling a load and driving, man. Like actually out of school, for real.
We need information.
You keep up.
This is a Volvo 10-speed, man. I really like that joint, man. Eating fuller. That joint got a lot of power, yo. It's a day cab, but it's a Volvo is a good truck, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you, man. I like them joints.